What if I told you that this software can generate a complete thesis structure before you even finish reading the title? Sounds impossible. Watch this. Today, I'm going to test Multilo and create a complete thesis project from scratch to see how well it actually works. Let's get started. For this demonstration, I'm using the topic, Academic Writing and Learning Among University Students. I'll simply enter the title here. Next, I can select the number of pages I want for my thesis. I can also define the word count and add any additional instructions, requirements, or recommendations if needed. For example, if your supervisor has given you specific guidelines, you can add them here, and if you don't provide any additional information, that's completely fine. Multilo can automatically analyze your topic and generate recommendations on its own. For now, let's focus on what Multilo can actually do. I'll click Create, and there we go. Our thesis project has been created. Now, this is where things get interesting. Most students don't struggle with finding a thesis topic. The real challenge starts after selecting the topic. How do you structure the thesis? What chapters should be included? How should the methodology be written? How do you organize dozens of research papers into one academic document? That's exactly where Multilo helps. As you can see, the software immediately starts building a proper thesis structure, not just content. A complete academic framework. Now let's move to the research library. This is where I can upload my existing research papers. If I already have papers related to my topic, I can add them directly to the project. I can also search for additional papers and include them in my research library. This keeps all of my research materials organized in one place. Instead of managing dozens of PDFs across different folders, everything stays connected to the thesis project. Now let's continue. As you can see, Multilo is generating chapters, sections, and subsections automatically. And if I want to customize anything, I can easily edit the structure myself. One thing I really like is that Multilo doesn't just generate text, it helps create a properly structured thesis. That's a huge difference. Many students can find data. Many students can collect research papers. But they often struggle with converting that information into a properly formatted academic thesis. With Multilo, the thesis is organized according to academic writing standards. Introduction, literature review. Methodology. Results. Discussion. Everything is placed where it belongs. And because the system understands thesis writing, you don't have to spend hours searching for thesis formats, chapter structures, or methodology layouts. The platform helps organize the entire workflow for you. From topic creation and research paper management to thesis structure and content generation, everything is available inside one platform. That's what makes Multilo an all-in-one thesis writing solution. And of course, while Multilo handles most of your academic work, if you ever need real human support, our AI assignment helper team is available 24/7 to assist you with any academic concern. First, visit the official Multilo website. Download the latest version of the software. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is currently working on a thesis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.